Haven't heard the news yet. Logitech is trying to start a product, for lack of a better word here, that is tentatively being referred to as the Forever Mouse. Now, if you don't know what this is, it's basically they're trying to make a mouse that's, or offer a mouse eventually, that is subscription-based. Details are very, very vague at the moment, but the idea is they want to push subscriptions with your mouse in some way. The article I'm referring to is from PC Gamer by Jacob Fox. He went over a lot of the details. There's software as a service. They're trying to make a mount like peripherals on your computer, kind of like TV or your cell phone. If you don't pay for a subscription service of some kind, for most people, your television is worthless unless you play video games or you obviously spend extra money to make the TV do more. They want to do that with your mouse. Now, one thing that Mr. Fox brought up was doing like a modular mouse. Well, my concern with that is what's the point? There's modular items in the past, especially with tech, have never been cheaper than just buying an all-in-one, mass-produced, this is it, everybody has the same thing. They're not cheaper. It never works out cheaper. And in the long run, eventually the company just gives up on it. They either lock it down too much where third parties and such can't make add-ons, peripherals, and everything for it, replacement parts, or they open it up too much and nobody wants to do it because they perceive it like Linux. There's no money, so nobody supports it. My concern is what are they going to do? Are they going to charge you $5.99 a month to use your mouse wheel? Are they going to charge you whatever, $9.95 a month to use the left click? Is the right click going to be an add-on purchase? I mean, is Electronic Arts making these things? I mean, who are they? I mean, it makes no sense. I just don't think a Forever Mouse, as they're calling it, is going to be something that takes off.